Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Tender announcement: procurement of 220 kV control and relay panels along with design, installation, testing and commissioning for addition of 02 line bays at 220 kV Nowshera Grid Station. The Islamic Republic of Pakistan, with financing from the Asian Development Bank, ADB, has announced a tender for the power transmission strengthening project under Loan No. 4,383 PAK. This funding will cover payments for the listed contract. The bidding is open to eligible bidders from ADB member countries. The National Transmission and Dispatch Company, NTDC, is seeking sealed bids for contract ADB PTSP 04-2025, which involves the procurement of 220 kV control and relay panels along with design, installation, testing and commissioning for addition of 02 line bays at 220 kV Nowshera Grid Station. The deadline for submitting bids is March 10, 2025, at 11 a.m. Pakistan Standard Time. This single contract package, identified as ADB PTSP 04-2025, includes the procurement of 220 kV control, relay, and AC/DC panels alongside their design, installation, testing, and commissioning. The work is to facilitate the addition of 2 line bays at the 220 kV Nowshera Grid Station. Bidders may submit bids only for this single contract. Multiple contract discounts do not apply, as there is only one lot available in this tender.